Hammy, I'm looking like a train wreck. I look so ugly. Hi, welcome back. That's as good as it's gonna get. Dang. What is happening to me? Welcome back to today's video. Let's address the elephant in the room, my hair. I got it cut. I think we cut like 6 to 7 inches off, so it's a little shorter. It's still a situation, it's just like a shorter situation. Okay, for today's video, I thought I would film a colorful makeup look. I don't really do these super often on my channel, mainly because I feel like people don't use like a purple and pink blown out smoky eye. So that's kind of the reason why I don't do them every other video. But if you do look, I do film them because to me, they're very visually entertaining to watch. Like I love just seeing colors all over the lid and just like a beautiful blend, you know? Not saying that's what this is gonna be, but that's what I like to see. Without further ado, let's jump on into this pink, purple, colorful, whatever you want to call it, makeup look. I've got 5 different, and we're back. I have 5 different eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to work from and just see what we come up with. Let's begin. Hot Mess Express coming through. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to put this all over my eyelids. My skin is so dry right now that this concealer feels hydrating, and it's not. And I'm gonna go in and blend this out with a brush. The difference between eyes is insane. Insane. And then I'm going to set it with the Essence Brighten Up powder. I don't know what to do in life. First, I'm going to go into the Sigma Brilliant and Spellbinding palette. Spellbinding? Okay, sure. Ugh. And I'm going to use this pink eyeshadow right up here. It's gorgeous. I'm going to take this on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend this directly in my crease. Okay, now that I have that on, it's really pretty. It's just kind of like my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the Life's a Drag palette from Lunar Beauty and use this fabulous pink eyeshadow. Like this whole side here screams to me. Screams. I'm going to take this on a bit of a smaller brush and put this right in the socket. I'm gonna put it right here in my crease. Fair warning, these eyeshadows will stain your eyelid. I mean, hello pigment. It's inevitable, it's gonna stain, but just a warning. That is so amazing. I don't know why I'm going in with more. I just feel like it. Woo, mama. Dang. Now just for the heck of it, I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette, the original one. And I'm going to take this fiery pink up here as well. I just want it for a little bit more depth. Woo. That is pink. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Petal Pusher palette. This used to be it for me. I loved this. I used it so much. Obviously, this first shadow, it was good. So I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I am, however, going to spray it with a setting spray. Okay, I'm going to apply this all over the lid here. Okay, now that I have the shimmer on, I'm going to do wing liner. I don't know what's been happening. I have been obsessed with doing winged eyeliner, which is interesting because I used to hate it because I would be afraid I'd mess it up all the time. And I still kind of am afraid that I'm going to do that, but I'm okay with it. I am just going to apply some Maybelline gel liner, and I'm going to do just a wing. I don't know if it's going to be intense or not. I usually find out mid-application. Okay, so now that I have my wing liner on, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are from Lily Lashes in the style London. Lashes are like 10 times easier to apply when you have liner on, because you're just pretty much putting it on like a black base, and it is just so much easier. Okay, I'm going to put the other one on, and then I'll be right back. Now that lashes are on, big difference, I know, I'm going to do primer. Sorry. I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime today. Now for foundation. I think I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion Foundation. This is an N1. It's not quite the right shade for me, so brace yourself. It's a bit too yellow, but we're going to make it work, or at least we're going to try, because I do love the finish of this foundation. So we're going to try to make it work here. Oh, it's not too bad actually. Heyo! Okay, now I'm going to apply some concealer, e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I love it. I live it. It's amazing. I don't understand it. Like, it is flawless. Okay, and then I'm going to set that, obviously. To set my under eye, I'm going to use the Lorac Pro Contour Palette. I'm going to mix these two shades. Okay, now I'm going to apply bronzer. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Glam Bronzer, one of my all-time favorites as well. Okay, so obviously I cleaned up my bronzer with just some powder. I didn't think I really needed to film that, you know? That's what I did. Now I'm going to apply a buxom blush. I should not be going in with something this intense. That's pretty. This is Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Pink Glow. This is gonna be gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. And I really don't know what I'm going to do with my brows. I think I'm just going to fill them in. Okay, now for my lower lash line. I'm going to go into the same pink that I used originally in the Sigma palette. I'm going to take that and start to blend this on my lower lash. Then I'm going to go back into the Lunar Beauty palette and take that pink again. I'm going to take like this neutral tone liner. It's not white. It's pretty much like a concealer. And I'm going to take this and put this in my waterline. Now I just want a slight little bit of definition. So I'm going to take the purple in the palette right over here. And just take a little bit of this and put it right on my lower lash line again. Finally, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Aurora palette, which is gorgeous. And I'm going to take Luna and highlight my brow bone. This right underneath. And also, I'm going to use that same shade to highlight my inner corner. For the lip, I'm going to apply MAC lipstick in the Pink Print Amplified Cream Lipstick. This was like the Nicki Minaj collection or something. It's really pretty. Yes. And then I'm actually going to top it with another MAC product. There we go. Whew. Let me fix this hot mess hair and I'll be right back. Alright, that is the end of this makeup look and this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is definitely not practical, definitely something different, but I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this, and I really hope to see you on my next one.